Hey guys, it's Brett. Hey listen, it's really important when you're buying in Cleveland Metro, and they never talk about it, is what cities you purchase and don't purchase in. We're in Cam's Corner right now at a nice house here, but this area is very nice. It doesn't have a point of sale, but you get into certain cities, there's certain rules that you need to know about. That's something that we do at our company. I'm with Fathom Realty. We have our own rehab, construction. I do the leasing. We partnered up with a property management company to, if you need one. So the whole thing about it is in Cleveland Metro, every city has their own set of rules. What looked good on paper may or may not be, because if you have what's called a point of sale, the city can come in and tell you to do things that will be extra costs on there. So be careful who you deal with in the Cleveland Metro. Make sure they know the cities, make sure they know the codes, make sure they know the rents, everything. Get a detailed quote on each property. We do that with every one of our deals. We also give you projected rent, and we're 99.9% of the time we are right. I just rented 2 last night. One guy was in the parking lot, didn't even go inside, already had a deposit for that particular property. So if you're in the right areas, the right locations, and you know the right city codes, it can be a very, very lucrative area to invest in. But all the cities are different here in the Cleveland Metro. So give me a call. I'm Brett with Fathom Realty. I've done over 1,000 properties. I'm very, very knowledgeable in the cities around here. And we're one-stop shop. You got your purchase, rehab, leasing, management, and I give you a nice discount whenever you sell your property. 216-703-5740. If you're across the ocean, you can WhatsApp me. Thanks, and have a great day. Thank you.